Alright, so we're going to look at two examples for this video. First one is the perimeter of a rectangle is 48 inches and one side is 10 inches. Find its area. So if you know the perimeter of a rectangle, how do we find the area? Well, I'm a visual person, so I'm just going to draw this out so I can figure out what we're talking about. The perimeter is 48, but one of the sides is 10 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and label 10 inches. Well, with a rectangle, opposite sides are congruent, so that makes that 10 inches as well. These opposite sides will be congruent, so if I take that 48 inches, the perimeter, and subtract out both of those 10s, that's going to leave me with 28. So 28 inches is what I have left for these two sides. Then you just cut that in half, and that's going to give you 14 and 14. So our sides of this rectangle are 28 and 14. Now we can go ahead and find the area. Area is equal to base times height. Our base is 14. Our height is 10. We go ahead and multiply those and get 140. Now we need a label, so we look back at the problem, we can see everything is in inches. And now that we are finding area, it's going to be inches squared. Alright, so our next example is similar, just a little bit reverse. This time we are given the area and we are trying to find the perimeter. So again, it's a rectangle. I'm going to go ahead and draw this out. We know that the area is 56 and we are given that the length of one side is 8 inches. Alright, so if we remember, area is equal to base times height. We know our area is 56. We just said that our base was 8, and now we're trying to find the height. So all we have to do is solve for our height in this example. Let's go ahead and divide both sides by 8. So our height of our rectangle is 7. We want to find the perimeter, so remember opposite sides are congruent. So we've got an 8 across from the 8 and a 7 across from the 7. So our perimeter is equal to, just go ahead and add those up, 8 plus 8 plus 7 plus 7. Or you could also do 2 times 8 plus 2 times 7, whatever seems easier to you. We're going to get the same answer in the end of 30. And then because this is a perimeter measurement and we are in inches, it's going to be 30 inches. This does not get us squared because it's not area.